there's a couple of things I gotta tell you. First of all, every one of the stanzas of this song starts off with a gesture. The word is oponui. The gesture is this. You hear the word oponui, you do that. Oponui. Very good. Oponui means big stomach. Very attractive in ancient Hawaii. This was Mr. Macho. Me too. Now, guys, there's one more thing. There's going to be a part where we ask you to point to the one you love. Make sure you point to the right person. Okay? All right, guys, the rest is easy. I'm calling out from the side of the stage, and the gentleman in front of you, well, they'll show you what to do. So now, everybody, follow the guys in front. We're gonna teve. Start swaying, guys. Oponui, here it is. Clap your hands above your heads. Sway to the side, sway the other way, face the audience. Oponui. You're doing good, gentlemen. Clap your hands above your heads. Sway to this side, back to that side. Face the audience. Here comes Oponui. Hold it right there. Now sway. Here comes Oponui. Put it in the basket, keep it there. Put it in the basket again and keep it there. Now, point to the one you love. Oponui! Show your style, gentlemen. Show them what you got. We're going to do that part again. You might want to get your cameras ready. Here it is. I'm so pretty. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bring it on home, gentlemen. Oh, yes. A big round of applause for these men coming up to dance for the one they love.